Hope when you take that jump, you don't fear the fall.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kinda crazy.
Wait, stop, this doesn't make sense. Hold up, wait, who are you? I am you. I am me. No sir, you are you. Wait, I don't know. 2 is 2. Got 2 bust downs.
Damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to whoa. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star, whoa. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties, whoa. I'm Steph Curry when I hit the
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
3, 2, 1. I love我的心哦
Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either.
Did I really just forget that melody?
No.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight.
Did you eat all of the English muffins? Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
Nope. Nope. No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
It wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
It wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
It wasn't me.
If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another treat. I think he's really cute, and I bet that you do too if you like my puppy.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
You are my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake.
I like
attention, 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 more attention. Attention now, please. Thank you.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is and the egg won't break. So I'm going to try this with Dak and see what he does.
You're the goodest boy in the world. Your family do love you.
They will come back for you. Stay strong, little one.
I cannot believe there are people out there who hate dogs. Like, do you even have a soul?